सबका मालिक एक।
Om Sai Ram to everyone. I'm Shweta from Sabka Malik Ek channel, and today I'm here to give the update about the upcoming program in the channel. So that's the reason I'm here. So we'll start. Okay. So before that, if you have already subscribed the channel, so thank you for that. If not, please subscribe the channel and just take all the update from Shirdi and the related to Sai Baba thing. Okay, so let's start. Like the upcoming project name is Global Mahaparayan. Okay, so most of the people knows that what is the Global Mahaparayan. Okay, so it's a mass prayer. Okay, mass prayer where we can read, and all the devotees, especially all the devotee, will read the Sai Satcharitra magical book. Okay, and so how we can read that and why very much important for in this situation. So let me tell you, like this is the magical granth, and is directly directed by Sai Baba. Okay, so Sai Satcharitra reading will give you the positive energy, and if you want to know Baba, okay, so you have to read the Sai Satcharitra. If you want to talk with Baba, if you want to connect with Baba, you need to read Sai Satcharitra, and after reading that, okay, you will feel a positive energy. Okay, and you will feel Baba presence. Okay, so that is very much important. And why we are starting this? Okay, so to start Global Mahaparayan mass prayer is very important because of this situation. Okay, everybody need positive energy. So why not? You and me and everyone put together will start a prayer. Okay, and will share the positive energy in the earth. Okay, so that's the reason for all the needy people, for all the all people here who really require Baba's blessings and the light in darkness time. So that's the reason we are planning to start this. Okay, and the second thing is like you must be thinking like how I can do that. So let me give a clarity. Like it's very easy. It's very easy. If you're working also, if you're a housewife, you're taking care of your kid, anyone can do this. Okay, so first what you need to do, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Second, you will get a link here in a given screen. You can just see the number is flashing here. Okay, what you need to do, on that link you need to click and join the WhatsApp group. Okay, we have a Sabka Malik WhatsApp group. Okay, so what will going to happen after joining there? If you join, you will get all the details, updates there only in group. What we are going to do, will divide that group into two different groups. Okay, one group is for daily parayan, in the sense like week 1 every Thursday. Okay, and other group will belong to weekly parayan. Okay, because somebody want to do a Mahacharitra Parayan weekly, they can do that. They can participate on that. If somebody want to do only one chapter in a week on Thursday, they can join a first group, whatever. Okay, and now after that, after joining the group, what will going to happen? What will do, will give you the the roll number, one particular unique number to you. Okay, and the allocated chapter to you. Okay, so what will going to happen, you will know, like, okay, what what is the chapter number I need to read. Okay, and what you need to do, you just sit relax at your home or anywhere you're comfortable. You just sit, read that particular chapter given by us. Okay, just read that, and you need to record your video, because per chapter one chapter it will take maximum 15 to 20 minutes to read that. So what you need to do, you need to record a video, or if you're not comfortable, you can record a recording. Okay, the charitra, whatever you're reading. Now why is important? Okay, what will going to happen after recording this? So when you're sharing, when you're submitting your the chapter in that particular group, okay, we'll share your video or audio in our channel. What will going to happen? If any newcomer want to join, okay, after reviewing your video, he will get all the idea and the comfort zone. Okay, how to read, why is important, and all like that. So that is very much important. And you know, if we are seeing something, it will give a big impact to us. If we are hearing something, is lesser than video. So that's the reason we have already given a comfort here. Like you can choose video or recording, anything if you want to, and then we'll post that in our program is Mera Sai Meri Anubhuti in the Sabka Cake channel. Okay, so that is the very easy process and very easy to join. Okay, and it's very easy also. Now I'm 100% sure, when you will get the chapter number, Sai Baba will give you the answer through that chapter. Whatever your issue or any problems or anything is there, 100% Baba will give you the that direction through that chapter. Okay, and the second thing is like automatically, because I know why Baba want this. Okay, automatically, why after reading the Sai Charitra, you will get a sakshatkar of Sai Baba. You will get so many anubhutis, so many experiences of Baba automatically. Then again you will come back to me or to the channel team, and then you will share automatically all your Sai anubhutis. So that is very much important for everyone. Why? Because if people will know your experience, they will also believe and they will also follow the same thing. So the vision for this global Mahaparayan, to send a positive energy to all the needy people in the globe. Okay, so that is very much important. If you have any query related to this, okay, any query related to this, how to do that, what is the global Mahaparayan and all like that, if you're not having a Sai Charitra Granth, okay, with you, will provide you the PDF as well. Okay, will provide you the PDF. You can just read through your mobile also. So see, it's very easy. Okay, so any query about this, now you can just message me, comment me, or you can call me also in any point of time on given number. Okay, I will assure you, I will give the clarity to you. Okay, so if anything here, I think I have covered everything. Okay, so again I will repeat, please take a part of this global mass, okay, which will give you the positive energy, and it will give you the whatever you want. Okay, this is the very magical book, and let's pray together and give the positive energy to everyone in the globe. Om Sai Ram.
अध्याय 6 रामनामी उत्सव मस्जिद का जीर्णोद्धार, गुरु के कर स्पर्श की महिमा, चंदन समारोह, उर्स और रामनवमी का समन्वय, मस्जिद का जीर्णोद्धार। गुरु के कर स्पर्श के गुण। जब सद्गुरु ही नाव के खेवैया हैं तो वे निश्चय ही कुशलता तथा सरलता पूर्वक इस भव सागर से पार उतार देंगे।